This short guide explains how to buy shares of EMBRACB AB. EMBRACB AB is a Swedish video game group that operates multiple studios, and it trades on CBOE EU under the ticker EMBRACB.ST. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker EMBRACB.ST to find the listing. Double-check the result to ensure you selected the correct EMBRACB AB stock. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart for context. Confirm the company description matches EMBRACB AB before moving on. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to purchase, and then review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will request you to add them before the order can be placed. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft link to eToro is included in the description for reference.